All right, what is Forex lot size? We're going to be discussing that now. Forex lot size is basically the size of the trade that you want to place. So if you want to place a trade, you want to buy or sell, the lot size is basically the size of that trade that you want to place. And the higher your lot size, the more money you can make. At the same time, the more money you can lose. Right? So it goes side by side, goes hand in hand. The higher your lot size, the higher your risk, and also the higher your reward. So you have to be careful the amount of lot size. You have to use the adequate lot size that is required for your account size, based on your account size. Now, to understand lot size more clearly, right? So lot size is broken down into four, mainly three, but some brokers allow four, which is one. The first one is the standard lots. The second one is the mini lot, the micro lot, and then the nano lot, right? And the standard lot is represented by one lot. The mini lot is represented by zero point 0.1 lot. The micro lot is represented by 0.01 lot. And then the nano lot is just below, anything below 1,000 units, right? So what this units basically means is, for example, let's say you have a currency pair like AUD USD. So that is AUD, and then USD, right? So let's say their exchange rate at the moment is about 1.3. Let's say the exchange rate is about 1.3, right? So, and you want to buy 100,000 units of Australian dollar, right? So what basically happens is 100,000 units is basically one lot, right, of AUD USD, right? So what happens is you're buying 100,000 units of Australian dollar, and in return you have to pay the exchange rate, which would be $130,000, right? So that's basically how the unit stuff works. This is for the lot size. So the lot size, if you're buying a mini lot on the 10,000 units, then that will be a zero point 0.1 lot. If it's a micro, if it's 1,000 units, that's a micro lot. So that will be 0.01 lots, right? So that's basically how it is. It's basically the exchange and also the size of the account, size of the trade that you want to place, right? So that's basically how lot size works. Another thing to note is, I didn't really write this down, but one thing to note is your lot size is based off of your account size, right? So if you're trading, the bigger your accounts, the higher the lot size you can use, and the smaller your account, the lower the lot size you can use, right? So